Do you ever have those days na sobrang tinatamad kang kumilos? Like kahit simpleng pag-aayos lang ng higaan parang ang bigat gawin. Cleaning your room? Maybe bukas na lang. Minsan gusto mo lang humiga, mag-scroll sa phone, at i-ignore lahat. But then may random days na parang may biglang nag-click sa utak mo. At mapapasabi ka na lang ng, okay, kailangan ko nang ayusin ang buhay ko. And today feels like one of those days. I really believe na connected talaga yung paligid natin sa mood natin. Yung kapag magulo yung kwarto, minsan, ang gulo-gulo rin ang isip natin. Everything feels heavy. Yung tipong wala kang ganang gawin kahit na ano. And the hardest part is always starting. Kasi kapag nakita mo na lahat ng kalat, sabay-sabay, parang nakaka-overwhelm. But recently, I realized something. You don't always need motivation first. Kasi minsan, kailangan mo lang gumalaw. Kahit maliit lang. One folded shirt, one clean corner, one small task. And before you know it, unti-unti mo nang naaayos ulit ang sarili mo. I feel like people pressure themselves too much to always be productive. Parang kailangan lagi tayong may energy, laging motivated, at laging may progress. Pero tao lang naman tayo eh. Napapagod din tayo, nawawalan ng gana, at nauubusan ng energy. And that's okay. You don't have to fix your entire life overnight. Minsan, cleaning your room is already a huge step. Kasi at least, you're trying again. And I think, nakakalimutan minsan ng mga tao na progress doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes, progress looks like finally getting out of bed, drinking water, replying to messages, or cleaning your room after weeks of procrastinating. And narealize ko din, minsan hindi naman talaga tayo tamad eh. Minsan pagod lang talaga tayo. Mentally, emotionally, and physically. At dahil doon, we delay things. Lagi nating sinasabi na mamaya na lang, bukas na lang, or kapag sinipag na lang ako. But the longer we delay things, the heavier they feel. And sometimes, the mess around us affects us more than we realize. Because every unfinished task becomes background noise in our minds. And while cleaning this room, I also realized maybe I wasn't just cleaning my space. Maybe I was also letting go of stress, pressure, and all the things I've been carrying lately. Because healing doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes, healing looks like getting up, cleaning your room, organizing your space, and choosing to start again. And then suddenly, you start seeing the progress. Yung area na sobrang gulo kanina, maayos na ngayon. The bed is fixed, the table is cleaner, the room feels lighter. Ang sarap sa feeling. Parang may biglang relief. Like, okay, I did something today. And maybe, hindi man ito naayos ang lahat. But at least, may isang bagay akong naayos today. And sometimes, that's enough. Because progress isn't always loud. Sometimes, it's this quiet feeling of relief after finally doing something you've been putting off for a long time. And I missed this feeling. At syempre, part nitong room reset ko is making my room smell good too. Kasi aminin nyo, iba talaga yung feeling kapag malinis na tapos mabango pa yung room mo. So today, I'm using these home fragrances from Hardy Atelier. Fragrance really changes the mood of a space. It makes the room feel calmer, warmer, and more comforting. Kasi kapag maayos at mabango yung paligid mo, somehow, mas gumagaan din yung pakiramdam mo mentally. And that's why I love adding scent into my routine. Kasi hindi lang siya about making the room smell nice. It's also about creating a space that makes you feel relaxed and inspired. And this wasn't just a room reset. Parang naging mental reset na rin siya for me. So if you've been feeling unmotivated lately, maybe this is your sign to reset too.
This is life, this is me. Every side you're gonna see. When it's hard, don't you worry. You can stay right here with Westby.